As one viewer of this will know, and anyone else after this point will know, this video was requested by one of my friends over on Steam. They were not aware of how to draw the forbidden art. And if any of you don't know what that is, it's the Suzuki S. Not sure if it goes by the same name for any of you guys, but that's the name I learnt it by, that's the name I call it. Anyway, this video will be teaching everyone who sees it how to draw said forbidden art. First, you start by it's the wrong color. Start by drawing one line, not too big, not too small. If you get your line too big, you can have a bad time. Make sure all the lines still aren't too big, because again, you'll have a bad time. Too big Suzuki S's, not a fun time. Bad time. Very bad time. From there, you draw two parallel lines to it, either left or right of it, doesn't matter. Just remember where. Don't actually remember where it is. You can count to 6. I believe in you. Draw the lines parallel either side of the first line. And then after that, you draw 3 more lines parallel, well, not parallel, beneath the bottom of the top 3 lines, like this. Make sure when it's like this, don't do anything else except for the next few steps. Yeah, it would look stupid if it was just like this. Anyway, you draw a diagonal line from the 1st to the 5th, like so. Then after that, from the 2nd to the 6th line, like so. Then after that, from the 3rd to the 4th line, you draw a diagonal line, but you don't have it passing through the first 2 diagonal lines, so it looks like just one big road. Then you finish that 3rd diagonal line by having it again not pass through, because that would just look stupid. After that, you draw a triangle from the 1st and 3rd line, pointing to the point directly above the 2nd line, and you draw one mirrored on the bottom. Then after that, you're done. Nothing else. This is a Suzuki S. Don't put the border around that, or do, it's up to you. Go ham. Now, you've all been taught how to draw the forbidden art. There we are. Now remember, draw this whenever you want. I don't control you. That'd be kind of weird if I did. The very R-shaped, and let me just fix that. There we are. Now everyone who's seen this now knows how poorly I write on a computer and how to do the Suzuki S. Remember, pass this on to your children and your grandchildren. Anyway, I've been Mad Mega Mick, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.